All right, so this is going to be an unbiased, unpaid for Amazon review. I'm going to tell you right now, I'm a very opinionated New Yorker. If this doesn't meet my expectations, I'm gonna tell you thumbs down. All right, so I'm not getting paid to do this. Let's unbox it. What is it? It's called Helping Hands. Everyone needs a helping hand. I don't even know the brand of this. It's probably Tagglethrop brand. Let's see, what does it say? It says, yeah, Helping Hands. XYZ QRSPTRU brand. All right, let's open. And a lot of times I get these things from Amazon and then I just chuck them because they suck. But I need to do restorations. I do antique restorations. This is more for little things, like lightweight things, but I'm really needing it to hold up heavier things. Oh, God. Oh, Tagglethrop. We got to build this thing. All right. Does it even come with a screwdriver? Oh, it comes with a screwdriver, boys and girls. All right. This is a real classy outfit over here, if you know what I mean. Yeah, they used to call things outfits back in the Victorian era. If you bought a set of something, it was an outfit. All right. So we got the tools. Let's do this in fast motion. All right, so we got, I'm not going to lie. Now, I have another helping hand. I'm going to actually show you. It's a non-helping hand. Okay, so it fell apart because it's a non-helping hand. It's like a monocle, like the Monopoly Man keeps tipping over on me. I had to use, duct tape. By the way, duct tape usually fixes everything. It doesn't fix this helping hand. You see, you got these little clips. It holds on to something. You can adjust the rod. You can adjust the rod in different directions and then lock it in place. And what would happen is this is metal, but it would keep tipping over. Every time, like, something was heavy that I was working, it was like, whoop, whoop. And then what happened is the little monocle, or can I even get this back together again? God only knows. It's like Humpty Dumpty. This little thing here fell apart already, and it's supposed to go into where I put the duct tape and stay, but it's not staying. And like this was supposed to be, let me try to stick this back in if I can. If I can, for God's sakes. Can this even happen? But all right, so this was supposed to be like this, and then you can move the helping hands around and shit. And yeah. I interrupt the broadcast. They do sell these LED, like you can move them and swivel them in all different directions. They can clamp. They can be magnetized to stick to your helping hands base. They have ones with bases and clamps. I'll give you links. And you can get, if you need a magnifying glass, you can get one of these. Interrupt this broadcast to let you know that they do have another model that I didn't even see when I was buying it, but I do have the LED magnifying glass that clamps onto my table, so I didn't want to pay extra. But they have one that has the LED light attached to it with the 4 helping hands. It's a round formation, but I'm going to give you a link in the description below for that. And as you can see, you can use it for a soldering station, both of these, including mine and the one with the LED lantern or lamp or magnifying glass. Links in the description beneath the video. Why do you think I had to buy the other one? Okay, so right away, the weight of this, this is heavy freaking duty, and magnets stick to it, and so on and so, really heavy. This ain't tipping over. I can tell you right now. We got this beautiful, beautiful screwdriver, and you're supposed to put it together. I'm not going to look at the directions because I'm that type of gal. Comes with 4 rubber feet. Oh, wow, that's actually really cool. 4 rubber feet. Now, it comes with alligator clips. Let's get the alligator clips out, and the feet. The feet. We got to get the feet out. All right, so the alligator clips, let's see if they're strong. Oh, yeah, they feel pretty strong. Comes with these rubber tips. It might not grab onto things you want it to grab with these things on, so you can slide them off. So we got 1, 2, it should be 4. Oh, and they gave you 2 extra, boys and girls. In case of an emergency, you got 2 extras. Again, you can slide the rubber silicone off the ends if it's not going to grab on your thing well enough. All right, let's put this together. We got 4 screws, 4 feet, and 4 arms. I'm going to actually take 1 screw at a time because I don't want to be screwed. And let's place this together. Let's put it together. All right, so basically this is going to screw into here. You can get ones that are, you can get extras in different lengths, and they're magnetized, and they just stick on anywhere. You can get extras on Amazon like that. Oh, you dumb son of a bee. I had it backwards. I was like trying to screw this part. This is where the gooseneck, these little gooseneck alligator clips go. Duh, like completely duh. This gets screwed in, this part, okay? Don't make this mistake. I need helping hands for this. All right, so once you get the knack of it, it's like 2 seconds to put it together. I was doing everything backwards as usual. I do everything half-ass backwards. Now, 2 of the arms are longer than the other, so I put the 2 shorter ones in the front and the 2 longer ones in the back. These alligator clips, you can swivel them by twisting this around. How heavy is it? This actually feels really sturdy compared to some other ones that I'm not going to mention. Yeah, this piece of crap. I mean, this is actually very heavy-duty metal, but the design just sucks because of the weight on both sides. And when you turn it, like if you're holding something, the weight will tip this whole thing over. And that's not what I need. That's not what I want. It's basically for fixing circuit boards for computers. But let's see if it can hold heavier things. How wide can the clip open? About yay. All right. So I'm going to get a heavy purse. I have an antique purse I want to fix. All right. So we're going to test this out. This is really heavy. I'm going to show you the bottom. Look, we got the rubber feet. This is actually really heavy duty. I'm very shocked. Color me shocked. It wasn't that expensive. All right. So I just want to see if it's going to hold up. I have an antique heavy mesh metal purse. This is over 100 years old. I need it to hold up something heavy because especially when I fix these links, this is good for jewelers, I think, as well. When I had to reconnect these links that are broken, I need helping hands. I need something to hold it open for me while I go in with my pliers. So I'm just going to actually try to grab the frame of this purse really fast. I'm just going to move the back helping hand in and twist it. There we go. I'm going to turn the clip. Okay. And now I'm going to take the other one. And let's see, I'm going to bend it down in towards this way. And it looks like it's holding it up so far. And I don't even need the other 2 in the front. Wow. Okay, this is going to be great for my restoration needs. Okay, actually, I weighed this purse, and it weighs over 3/4 pounds. Okay? It's holding this up. Now, can it hold up heavier things? I really think it can. But the thing is that the alligator clips leave you little room, you know what I mean, for heavier things that are thick. So if something is thin, I mean, this isn't too thin. This actually has a thickness to it. All right, so I'm going to show you the thickness of this antique purse. I mean, here, I'll put my finger next to it. This is actually quite thick. And the alligator clip is not struggling. You can also take off these silicone tips, and they have teeth. I don't know if you can see that teeth, which can grab things better. So if you have an item that needs a better grab, this will probably work. But look at this. All right, this is holding up a very heavy antique purse. I'm just going to show you this. Look how, I mean, I'm not kidding you. It's not tipping over because this thing is actually leaning forward and it is not tipping over at all, which tells me that this is really high quality. I'm going to give you guys a link to this. This is really a wonderful product. And by the way, I lost one of the extra alligator clips already. Would you believe that? I only have one extra one left. So if something bad happens, I'm screwed. Get it? Oh God, did you just see my Crocs? Actually, helping hands are super. And yeah, it came in different colors and it came in different widths, by the way. It came in 2 sizes, a smaller size one and a bigger size one. This is the bigger of the 2. So when you click on the link, they actually had it in 2 colors. I think it was orange and black. I just got traditional black because traditional black matches everything. All right, guys. Yeah, this is definitely a keeper. I don't know if you can see this. This is amazing. Links in the description beneath the video.